Hi there! Today we'll make this three-dimensional picture. All details are cut out of thick paper using my Cricut Maker. You can buy and download a digital template in my Etsy store. I left a link in the description. Let's get started! So, all details are already cut out. My Cricut did an excellent job with cutting. To add depth to the image, I used these double-sided adhesive pads, which can be found in scrapbooking stores. The assembly order of the layers will be like this. On the sand, we put all the layers of the sea, starting and ending with white sea foam. And don't forget volume. Stick our parts on the back side of the second layer. And put it on the first one, aligning the holes on top. Do the same with the third layer and with all subsequent layers. Make sure the sides are aligned as accurately as possible. Stick the top layer of white paper just above the border of the previous one. Now let's add volume to the sand. There is a hole in the back for easy hanging on the wall. Thanks for watching and have a nice day!